Hey everyone, Marge here from skinnyonlowcarb.com, and we're going to unbox this month's Keto Crate so you can see it before they're all sold out. So first out of the box are protein chips are zesty nacho, and they have 4 net carbs per bag or 1 ounce. Next is something called Just the Cheese, crunchy mini toasted cheese, nothing else. So they're like little cheese chips. Next we have Fat Snacks chocolate chip cookies. There's 2 of them in here, and each one is 2 net carbs. Haven't tried these. If you know anything about them, please let me know. How about some Tangy Rant? Tangy. They're tangy. I can't talk. Tangy Ranch seasoned almonds. There's a couple teas. How about a lemon Myrtle? What would Myrtle taste like? I'm not sure about that one. And the other one is lime and ginger. Now that sounds pretty good. Here's another sample pack of some drinks that are probiotics. Apple cider vinegar, cayenne, cinnamon, ginger probiotics with lemon. There's 3 of them in here. And next we have a slice of bacon. Now that's a pretty cool thing to be able to take with you as a snack on the go. Now this is what we usually think of. Beef sticks. This is what they look like. You get 2 of them this month. Now here is something I can honestly say I have never got in the Keto Crepe before. It's a dill pickle. A giant dill pickle. Now here's one that I cannot wait to try out. Alterna Sweets original barbecue sauce. Their seasoned ketchup was amazingly good. And last but not least, real bread, grain-free Hamburger Bun mix. You actually mix this up and make low-carb hamburger buns. Pretty cool. Can't wait to try them out.